English conversation at the supermarket. Look at this apple. It looks so juicy. Let's buy it.
I like juicy apple. I'm sure it's also sweet.
I like eating apples in the breakfast. What about taking oranges to make a fresh juice?
Great! That's a good idea. I love it.
Okay, I'll put it inside the shopping cart. I want to try these grapes before buying it.
Go ahead. Just do it. Let's go to the meat section now.
Meat section.
This meat looks so good.
I don't think so. I'd prefer chicken.
Okay, I like when you cook chicken.
Nice. Take one pack, please.
Let's go to the dairy section. Dairy section.
Do you like low-fat milk?
I love it.
Me too. It's so healthy for us. I'm so excited to eat this cheese with croissant.
Wow. Me too. I think we will eat this cheese so quickly.
Let's buy yogurt. It's so healthy.
I agree. I love it with fruits in the morning.
Now, let's go to the bakery buy croissant.
Bakery section.
I love strawberry cake. Let's get one?
I think it's better by chocolate cookies.
No, let's choose something healthier for us.
All right. What about taking some croissant to eat with cheese?
It's a perfect combination.
This is my favorite food. I love it with cheese.
Oh, we need to go to the cleaning section.
Cleaning section.
I need a good laundry detergent to wash our clothes.
I'm sure you'll love this brand.
Yes, this is the best one. Let's take it.
We finished it. Let's pay for it.
Yes, let's go to the cashier because I'm already hungry.
Paying the bill.
Hello. How are you? Everything's good?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm great, thank you.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, we did. We didn't forget anything.
Everything was perfect. All products are so fresh.
Would you like more bags, or these ones are enough?
I think it's enough. How much is the bill?
Everything will cost only $45.
Okay, let me see. I will pay by credit cards.
Thank you. We're happy to have you here.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You're so kind. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Have a great day, you too.
Leaving the supermarket. Do you think we bought everything we need? Didn't we miss anything?
Everything we need, we bought.
Great! Let's enjoy our day.